Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our contacts app, and here we have to click on this icon in the right top corner. Now here we have to open block list, and we have to go to the blocked numbers option. To unblock this number, all we have to do is just hold on it, and then we have to click delete. And by clicking delete, we are removing this number from our block list. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!